Hi, my name's Conor McKinney, and it's been fantastic to be here at the 30 by 30 Climate Change Makers event. Now, one of the great things about being here has been just how impassioned and enthused and informed a lot of the cohort here at the 30 by 30 event has been. I personally take a very positive approach that we can be the change in the environment that we need to see for climate change, for biodiversity, and certainly looking at the cohort today, they can be a big part of that.